Go fly.
Alright, there we go.
Landing and departing runway 13. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Charlie. Mars Tower information, Delta 1447 Zulu. Wind calm, the weather is better than 5005. Temperature 27, 2.23, altimeter 3002. Visual runway 13 approach in use. Parachute jumping in progress at Fentress Air Park, located approximately 8.5 miles southeast of San Marcos Airport. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Delta.
Alright, got Delta. Hello mixed in there. Let's go direct.
Information, Delta's current San Marcos 8 is altimeter 3002.
Activate. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so avionics are on. We're squawking VFR. Got the weather, altimeter set. Brakes will test in a second. Everything else is lined up, good to go. So we are ready to taxi. I'll leave that. Good morning, San Marcos ground, 5804 Romeo.
Diamond 804 Romeo, San Marcos ground.
Yes, sir. Information, Delta, Texas State, ready to taxi for a westbound departure.
Diamond 804 Romeo, ground.
San Marcos ground, Diamond Star 804 Romeo, can you copy my radio?
I heard information and then nothing else after that.
Alright, I got information, Delta, ready to taxi for a westbound departure, 804 Romeo.
Diamond 4 Echo Romeo, runway 26 at Delta intersection, taxi via Alpha Delta, hold short, runway 26, wind calm.
That's 26 at Delta via Alpha Delta and hold short at 26, Fort Romeo. Alright, so 26 right there. Choose Alpha and then Delta and then hold. Alright. Left, clear right. Alright, let's do the run up. Brake set, trim takeoff. Flight controls forward, back, left, right. And I keep making my head pass. Alternate air, test, runs, instrument, good, good. Alternate, we got our course set. Oil temperature's coming up. It'll come up when we run up here. Alright, fuel on the fullest tank. Go back to the left. Fuel pump on. Extras full forward. Pop up at 2000. Alright, cycle the prop. One, good right. Full pressure. drop in RPM, and look at the oil pressure and oil pressure changes. Alright, we're good. Back check. Smooth. Smooth. Alternator loads in the green, fuel and oil pressure in the green, oil temperature is coming up. Go to idle. Still runs. Go ahead and take our pre-takeoff, flaps, takeoff, fuel pump on. Canopies down and locked, lights extinguished. Strobes are on, we're ready to taxi. San Marcos Tower, Diamond Star 804, Echo Romeo is holding short of 26 at Delta, ready for westbound departure.
Diamond Star 804, Echo Romeo, San Marcos Tower, hold short of runway 26 at Delta for landing traffic, runway 13.
Hold short 26 for Echo Romeo. Boost pump on, gas on the fullest tank. Carriage is bolted.
Diamond Star 804, Echo Romeo, runway 26 at Delta, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
26 at Delta, clear to take off for Echo Romeo. Alright, clear left, clear right. Extra forward. Pages are in the green. Let's go. Looking for 59 knots. Alright, 1,000 feet, fuel pump, flaps, brought back down to 24. That was a takeoff time of 16:57.
San Marcos Tower, Copy 2973 Zulu, midfield 13.
Tower 73 Zulu, runway 13, clear for the option, wind calm.
Option 13, 2973 Zulu.
That's freaking hazy out today. Alright, so our top of climb is 12 minutes after off at 75 knots. We're doing 70. And San Marcos Tower, Diamond Star 804 Echo Romeo requesting frequency change.
Diamond Star 4 Echo Romeo, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, good day. San Angelo Radio, Diamond Star 804 Echo Romeo out of San Marcos.
Diamond Star 804 Echo Romeo, San Angelo Radio. Go ahead with your request.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I would like to open up my flight plan with a time of 1657 Zulu.
In November 804 Echo Romeo, current time 1501 Zulu. Did you want that for a 1457 Zulu? Over.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
November 804 Echo Romeo, roger. We've got your VFR flight plan activated at that time. ETA into San Marcos of 1639 Zulu. And so far I'm not showing any weather advisories en route. Advise if you need any details on NOTAMs at your destination or Kerrville or Aspen as far as your alternates there. Otherwise, for pilot weather reports and for additional en route weather, contact radio en route, and you have a good flight.
Thank you very much, ma'am. You have a good day. Alright, so that's taken care of. Going up to 6,500. Now we are tracking right on course. Or 22, 20.
And RV42 Charlie Sierra with you, ready to go on 13. Would like a left turn out if you can do it.
RV42 Charlie Sierra, Semi Star, runway 13, clear for takeoff. Turn left on course, traffic's Satabia. It's off the departure end of the runway, turning left crosswind.
There to go, 42 Charlie Sierra, left approved.
Alright, we're at our top of the climb. 2 minutes early. Not bad. And the airfield going to be right off our nose. We do have an aircraft.
San Marcos Tower, Tower 2973 Zulu, midfield 13.
Tower 2973 Zulu, runway 13, clear for the option.
Option 1373 Zulu.
There goes my dad's lake house again.
RV42 Charlie Sierra, frequency change approved.
I'll talk to you in a little bit, 42 Charlie Sierra.
San Marcos Tower, this is November 31, November Whiskey, we're ready for
Right.
November 31, November Whiskey, San Marcos Tower, home short of runway 13 for landing traffic.
Fairly close.
November Whiskey, holding short.
There you are. Gotcha. Oh, see this guy. Alright, we're about to pass over Highway 281. Supposed to be 19 minutes, and we're at 15.
Okay, clear for takeoff, turn right on course, and I do have some top of the inside. November Whiskey. What's 13? Roger.
Kerrville Municipal, Lewis Schreiner Field. Automated weather observation. 1519er. Zulu, weather, wind 360 at 3. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 23. Altimeter 3006. Remark. Density altitude 3,300. Kerrville Municipal, Lewis Schreiner Field. Automated.
I'll get the weather again as soon as we get a little bit closer, just to make sure it didn't change.
One traffic, running 5965 Lima, turning downwind. 14 left traffic, Fort Regional.
Alright, let's establish our speed. Is good to go, gauge in green. Landing flaps. Speed is good, 73 knots. Little high. Alright, on the glide path. Alright, idle power. Alrighty, flaps takeoff. Full power. Kerrville traffic, Diamond Star 804 Echo Romeo departed runway 30, and we're going to be making left traffic and departing back out to the Kerrville traffic. Alright, fuel pump off, flaps up, RPM back down to 24. Kerrville Curl traffic, Dinosaur 804 Echo Romeo is left down 130. We'll be departing out to the east after making the left base turn. Kerrville traffic. Alright, so the return leg, we are going up to 5,500. We are 34 minutes. Kerrville traffic, Dinosaur 804 Echo Romeo is at 3,800, climbing to 5,500 feet. Departing the area to the east, last call, Kerrville.
Let's clear 12 Romeo, turn right, taxi, Echo, contact 11 Echo.
Oh, what a beautiful... Right on Echo and ground there. Got an aircraft right off the nose, same altitude on the scope, do not see him. Where are you at? Okay, I don't see this guy, so I'm gonna come right. The opposite direction he's going. Come on, dude, where you at? Says he's plus 400 now. I'm gonna keep coming right. Oh, there he is, got him.
Advise an initial contact, give information, Echo. San Marcos Tower, 8 is information, Echo. Time 1545 Zulu, wind calm. Visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 30, dew point 22, altimeter 3002. Visual approaching use. Landing and departing runway 13. Parachute operations in effective engine set parts. Located approximately 8.5 miles southeast of San Marcos. Say Mike, Papa, contact Austin departure, we'll see you.
Say Mike, Papa, good day.
Lake is beautiful. San Angelo Radio, Diamond Star 804 Echo Romeo.
Diamond Star November 804 Echo Romeo, this is San Angelo Radio.
Yes, sir, good morning. I am currently 21 miles west of San Marcos. I got the field in sight, would like to close my VFR flight plan.
November 4 Echo Romeo, roger, I've got your flight plan right in front of me, I'll close you out. Have a safe day.
Alrighty, sir, take care. Thank you.
San Marcos Tower from the Skylane X-ray Bravo Yankee Alpha Zulu.
Alright, we'll start.
Malibu 629 Alpha Golf, runway 13, clear takeoff, turn left heading 360.
What's
clear for takeoff, left turn to 360, 9 south.
X-ray Bravo Yankee Alpha Zulu, San Marcos Star. The X-ray Bravo Yankee Alpha Zulu, Cessna 182, 3,500, 10 miles to the west, landing San Marcos with Echo. X-ray Bravo Yankee Alpha Zulu, report at 2 mile right base for runway 13. And verify your altitude. 3,500, we report right base for 13, 2 miles, Yankee Alpha Zulu. Roger, Skyline Yankee Alpha Zulu. If it's easier, you can make a straight in. You want to make a straight in or a right base? Straight in is fine, thank you. You make straight in runway 13 for November, or correction for Alpha. For X-ray Bravo, Yankee Alpha Zulu, make straight in runway 13, report at 3 mile final. Straight in 13, 3 mile final, thank you.
San Marcos Tower, Sky 1180 Victor on Alpha, 1 short of 8. Will be a far departure to the east.
Sky 118 Sierra Victor, San Marcos Tower, hold short runway 8 for departing traffic.
1 short of 08,